To use Google Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, you have to start by opening applications and just go into the Google Play Store. So it's available just over here. And now we have to just go for the search and simply input wallet phrase. Go to the search and make sure that you have downloaded that Google Wallet application. When you do this, you have to click on the open button. Now accept all of those permissions and stuff like this. We have to just scroll over here to get some basic information, how it works, what it does. Now as you can see, we are ready. We have to click here and now we are able to add our cards. So as you can see, we have to do this by using our phone. So also on your phone, you have to make sure that you have Google Wallet application. So you will have to also go into the Google Play Store like so and search for the wallet application by using search bar. And now you can just simply continue by clicking add to watch, select payment card, and you will have to input, all of those details of your credit or debit cards just over here, or you can scan your card both sides by using that scanner like so. And so you will have to align the frame or enter the details manually like previously just over here. And after this, the card will be available on your watch, and you have to also make sure that you open the settings, go to the connections, and be sure that you turn on the NFC and contactless payments, but also that you have selected the default wallet application as Google Wallet. Thanks for watching.